Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're reviewing a unique outdoor speaker that's aiming to redefine how we enjoy music outdoors. It's the Lodge Solar Speaker 4 Series 2. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The Lodge Solar Speaker 4 Series 2 sports a classic, unassuming look, reminiscent of a traditional bookshelf speaker. Its dimensions are compact, making it easy to place on a table or mount in your yard with the included stake. What really sets it apart are the 4 integrated solar panels on top, which not only charge the speaker but also add to its rugged outdoor durability with an IP66 rating. Now, onto the most critical aspect, sound quality. Powered by a 50W Class D amplifier, this speaker delivers impressive audio performance. Whether you're into rock, hip-hop, or jazz, the Lodge Solar Speaker 4 handles it all with finesse. The sound is well balanced across treble, mid-range, and bass, especially if you engage the bass boost feature. It's comparable to some of the top portable speakers out there, ensuring your music sounds crisp and clear even at higher volumes. Moving on to battery life, this is where things get interesting. Thanks to its solar charging capabilities, the Lodge Speaker 4 can theoretically play as long as the sun shines. Lodge claims that for every hour in direct sunlight, you get 2 to 3 hours of playtime. However, keep in mind that it requires direct sunlight to fully capitalize on this feature. Alternatively, you can use the USB-C port for charging, providing up to 22 hours of playtime on a full charge. In terms of connectivity, the Lodge Speaker 4 supports Bluetooth 5.3. Setting it up with your smartphone is straightforward, and it maintains a strong connection over impressive distances. The control panel on top offers essential functions like power, volume, play, pause, and Bluetooth pairing. It's simple to use, though you'll need to manually re-engage bass boost each time you power on the speaker, which might be a slight inconvenience for some users. So, should you consider investing in the Lodge Solar Speaker 4 Series 2? If you're looking for a versatile outdoor speaker with excellent sound quality and the convenience of solar charging, it's definitely worth considering. It's perfect for backyard gatherings, camping trips, or any outdoor adventure where power outlets are scarce. Just keep in mind that its solar charging effectiveness depends heavily on direct sunlight availability. At its price point, it competes well with other premium outdoor speakers, offering a truly wireless experience with impressive sound. That wraps up our review of the Lodge Solar Speaker 4 Series 2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this speaker or if there's another product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Thanks for watching.